Hi everyone, I am Dr. Tejashvi Bodjarla, consultant doctor in Fidicus Homeopathy. In the last video, we discussed about what is leucorrhea, what are the signs and symptoms of leucorrhea, and what are the treatment plans available for leucorrhea. In today's video, we will focus on what are the causes and risk factors for leucorrhea and what are the structure and function of female reproductive system. All these are discussed in today's video. I can explain this clearly on the board. Let's move on to the board. Hi, I am Dr. Tejashvi Bodjarla, consultant doctor in Fidicus Homeopathy. Leucorrhea is the most common gynecological problem in present women nowadays, but it is often neglected. Leucorrhea is an abnormal excessive vaginal discharge. This condition is known as leucorrhea condition. Now coming to structure and function of female reproductive system. Usually female reproductive system consists of vagina, uterus, cervix, fallopian tubes, ovaries. All these work together with the help of endocrine system. This is the female reproductive system. This is the vagina, this is the cervix, and this is the uterus. These are the fallopian tubes, and these are the ovaries. This is the vagina. This is the structure which connect external genitalia to the uterus. Usually, vagina secretes some secretions which are moist in condition, and this is of acidic in nature. All these secretions helps in protection against infections and also cleaning mechanism. Now coming to cervix. Cervix is the lower part of uterus. Cervix also secretes mucus, which also helps in protection and also helps in lubrication. Now coming to uterus. This is the uterus. This is the hollow muscular organ where it is the place where implantation and growth of fetus takes place. These are the fallopian tubes. These tubes helps in fertilization. It is the site where egg and sperm meet. Now these are ovaries. These structures are ovaries. Ovaries produce hormones like estrogen, progesterone. These hormones helps to maintain our reproductive health. All these are the structures involved in female reproductive system. Usually these structures secrete some secretion which help in protection and also helps in cleaning purpose. These secretions are acidic in nature. This acidic nature prevents entry of bacteria and growth of bacteria. If any disturbance in these structures, it can lead to leucorrhea condition by decreasing the mucus production and also changing the pH mechanism. All this helps in the growth of bacteria. That's why we can lead to various pathological conditions. That's why we can say leucorrhea. All this is the structure and function of female reproductive system. Now coming to risk factors of leucorrhea, and it means who are more prone to leucorrhea condition, who are having poor hygiene. Poor hygiene means lack of proper cleanliness of reproductive organs. It can lead to leucorrhea condition. Without maintaining proper hygienic, it leads to growth of bacteria condition. This leads to several conditions like PID, leucorrhea. All these conditions are due to some growth of bacteria. So we have to maintain proper hygiene. Weak immunity. Due to weakness of our immune system, it can lack the capability to fight against the infections. It means fight against the germs. Uncontrolled diabetes. Uncontrolled diabetes means having high blood sugars can lead to the growth of fungus and bacteria. This leads to severe infections, which may lead to leucorrhea condition. Malnutrition. Lack of essential nutrients can decrease the capacity of reproductive organs. It means they can lack the proper functional capability due to lack of essential nutrients. Unsafe sexual habit means lack of proper sexual methods. It means having multiple sexual partners. Lack of sexual hygiene, all these conditions lead to infections that may prone to leucorrhea condition. Hormonal changes. Hormonal changes one of the causes for leucorrhea condition. Usually hormonal changes occurs during ovulation, pregnancy, and menopause conditions. Stress and emotional disturbances. Stress is the main factor for hormonal disturbances. These disturbances in hormones can result in various conditions which may lead to leucorrhea. All these are the risk factors and triggering conditions that may lead to leucorrhea condition. Now coming to causes of leucorrhea. Leucorrhea is not coming directly. It means there is underlying pathology is there. So this pathological condition can lead to leucorrhea. Usually leucorrhea is of physiological and pathological. Where we call it as physiological leucorrhea means if leucorrhea occurs during ovulation period, pregnancy times, and also during sexual excitement, all these conditions having normal leucorrhea. Normal in leucorrhea in the sense, usually this discharge is of white in color without having any discomfort like irritation, itching, any bad odor. All these are absent in physiological leucorrhea. This is the normal condition where we can see leucorrhea. And what are the conditions we see pathological leucorrhea means? Pathological leucorrhea means there is underlying pathology in the reproductive system. It means bacteria, fungal, parasitic infections. In case of fungal infection, we can see cardioid discharge, and in case of bacterial discharge, we can see fluid-like discharge with bad odor, and in trichomonas infection, we can see greenish leucorrhea. All these are due to infection conditions. And also, leucorrhea condition may also be seen in some Internal disease conditions like cervicitis, it means inflammation of cervix. Usually cervix secrete mucosa that helps in lubrication and also fight against infections. If cervicitis occurs in the sense infection or inflammation of cervix may condition lead to leucorrhea. And also it is seen in vaginal disease also. In this pathological leucorrhea, we can give more importance to color, consistency and odor. In pathological leucorrhea, leucorrhea is a bad odor, thick in consistency and also some associated with itching, irritation, burning, associated with some systemic symptoms like backache, weakness, anemia. All these conditions are seen in pathological leucorrhea. These are the causes for leucorrhea condition. If you are suffering from leucorrhea, consult Fidicus Homeopathy. Now, what you get from Fidicus Homeopathy means the success of case depends on three main steps. One is the treating doctor, the drug device we are following, and the infrastructure we have. At Fidicus Homeopathy, doctors are with passion, qualification, knowledge, experience and competence. The drug device we are following is of top quality. We are providing our medicines from best pharmaceutical industries and we are also best in segment. And we are using latest technology and also artificial intelligence in the treatment option. All these helps in the success of case. If you are suffering from leucorrhea and you want to get consultation Fidicus Homeopathy provides two types of consultation options. One is online consultation and other one is in-person consultation. In online consultation, audio and video call options are available. By using this, you can share your reports. If any reports are necessary, we will let you know. You can get back them locally and send it back to us. After completing the case taking, we will ship your medicines to your doorstep wherever you are in the world. If you are staying in India, it will take 3 to 4 business working days. If you are staying other than India, it will take 3 to 8 business working days. If you want to get consultation by in-person, you can visit our nearest branch and get consultation. Now coming to how to get consultation Fidicus Homeopathy. This is our WhatsApp number 7997101303. By using this number, you can message or call to us and get consultation. If you have any doubts about Fidicus Homeopathy, this is our website www.fidicus.com. You can visit our website and get consultation through this. Why Fidicus Homeopathy only? There are so many homeopathic hospitals and other consultation options are available. Why Fidicus Homeopathy means? Because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Fidicus Homeopathy follows three main principles. One is the highest success rate. In leucorrhea condition, we are having highest success rate. We can treat the disease condition from its root cause and give better results. And we are also providing transparent treatment. Transparent treatment in the sense we can maintain transparency between the patient and the doctor. It means we can explain the disease condition and also prognosis condition to the patient. And we are also providing personal care. Personal care in the sense we can provide unique treatment for every patient and we can also clarify their doubts and myths. All these are advantages of Fidicus Homeopathy. Now we discuss the structure and function of female reproductive system and how it balances the normal female health and also causes and risk factors for leucorrhea. All are now discussed here. If you are suffering from these symptoms and persistent vaginal discharge, consult a doctor at an early time. Proper diagnosis and early treatment can prevent the leucorrhea complications and we can cure this condition in timely. If you are suffering from leucorrhea, consult Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.